Morning guys, today we're going to go out on the bikes. Natalie's not joining me because she can't even cycle a bike. What the hell's going on? So I'm joined here by my dad who's operating the camera. Say hi George.
Hi George.
And you're going to see that. Right, so the plan is we're going to go from my mum and dad's house in Jamestown. We're going to go all the way to Clydebank. Is it going to happen? I don't know, because as you can see for me, I'm sweating and I just literally came from Tilly, run to Jamestown and I'm knackered. So we're going to go as far as we can. We're going to take you along on the ride and I'm going to try and get as much footage as I can. It's going to be a short vlog, maybe 4 or 5 minutes today, but we'll see you there. Bye bye. So I decided to come off the normal cycle path which runs along there because it's quite busy and goes underneath the Erskine Bridge just here to this wee path here that my dad's just told me about. I didn't know anything about it and here it is here. It's called the Saltings.
Life on the edge. It's when a high tide flooding up the river mouth met rain swollen water rushing down it. The River Clyde would overflow here, creating marshland known as the Saltings. You can still see some of this original swampy salt marsh beyond the bank in front of you. When spoil from building the Erskine Bridge was dumped here in the 1970s, it raised the level of the soil. This may have helped to establish some of the more unusual plants you can find at the Saltings today.
That's pretty cool actually, I didn't know anything about that. So I take it this bit here is the original cycle path and we come down this wee bit here. You guys will probably have noticed it before coming the cycle path. It just literally, it's a wee bit that kicks off. It looks like it's got 2 or 3 wee bumpers that doesn't want you down it, but looks pretty cool as you can see. Good nice view of the Erskine Bridge. So quiet here because it's busy everywhere else. I don't know how clear this is going to come out for you guys, but see this bit here used to be a sculpture. How cool is that? I've never been down this bit, I've seen it. Quite like that. Oh, and that's just my app on the phone tell me it's pausing. Right, we best get on and catch up with Georgie. Looks like there's like 2 or 3 wee paths down here. Well, there's a wee path here, just takes you right further down to the water. Obviously the Erskine Bridge just there. And I don't know where my dad's went, he's just left me. Right, we'll catch up on him. We've just come underneath the Erskine Bridge here and I've just seen this cracking wee bit here. I'm not exactly too sure what it is, but I really like it. Wee bit here where people have had a wee fire and stuff. I'm going to take you inside this, see what's in it. Oh cool, check this out. Look, that's amazing. Looking over the water, looking over the Erskine Bridge there. Georgie's away back in the distance there. This is cracking. Some graffiti and that on the inside. Cool wee bit. I don't know exactly what it is. How amazing is that? The Erskine Bridge is looking amazing in the sun. So just as we come out the Saltings there, we've got this cracking totem pole. I didn't even know this was here, and as you can hear, my app keeps shouting pausing. That's amazing. So cool. There's just showing you when you go into the Saltings. It's looking a wee bit beat up. Local nature reserve, the Erskine Bridge in the background, and then there's that totem pole, which is pretty cool. Looks like there's another wee walk you can take down here as well. It'll take you down to the water. Right guys, that is us just arrived at Clydebank and I'm a sweaty hot mess. And Georgie's just went and bought us some Monster and stuff. As you can see, here he is here. He's trying to keep away from me. He's not even looking at the camera, it's ridiculous. So that's us arrived, beautiful day. I don't know how long it took us, to be honest. I wasn't really paying attention, but we took you a couple of wee routes that we wouldn't normally go. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, subscribe and give us a big like. And hopefully once everything calms down, we'll get back to doing our normal vlogs. We just thought we'd get outside and not be cooking anymore. Right guys, thanks very much. Bye bye.